here, and there are 2 resting places where you can take some rest. This is the lake I was talking about. It's 10 minutes.
But you can trek for 1 more kilometer.
So we trekked a bit here, playing around, guys. That
Because
bar.
earlier it was made with dry, what do you say?
So we are near Bellandur. I'm really scared to get down now. This is a very small monkey. So there is a temple also here. Hi everyone, welcome to my new vlog. So we have started from Bangalore, and so today's vlog is all about a beautiful weekend getaway near Bangalore, and it's called Muttayala Madavu. So it's also known as Pearl Valley, and I'll take you there. So the route, I'm starting from Whitefield Road, Mahadevpura. So the route would be on the outer ring road, and you can connect to the Electronic City flyover, and then comes Chandapura, Attibele. From Attibele you have to take the Anekal road, and you can. So we are near Bellandur now on the outer ring road. So I have few things to tell you about Muttayala Madavu. So we had been there around 4 to 5 times, and what I have seen there is a KSTDC hotel there, and Mayura KSTDC hotel, where you can have food, a decent food, and it's organized by the government of Karnataka, and there is a big lake there where you can go for boating, organized by the government of Karnataka again. And when you enter, there could be a lot of parking area and all that. I'm sure it still remains the same. And at the right side of the Muttayala Madavu, there are steps where it takes you to the waterfall, and it's like a trek you can get into. So it's a very big trek where, and it's it's connected to the lush green Bannerghatta forest. I think it's Bannerghatta. I'll ask my husband. It's Bannerghatta, no?
Yeah.
So it connects to the Bannerghatta forest. So since it's again connecting to the Bannerghatta forest, you should always be careful with the wild animals, because since it's connected with the forest, we have to always be attentive, focused, and check out whether there are any animals coming up. And because day before yesterday we have read in the news that at Muttayala Madavu there were 2 elephants they have found. Public have found 2 elephants there around Muttayala Madavu. So that is something which you have to note it down and be careful about it. And there are a lot of monkeys at Muttayala Madavu last time. So last time I remember is, I think 2 years back it was. So when we went there inside Mayura restaurant, there were a lot of monkeys making sound. When we ordered a coffee, we were not able to, and it was drizzling also. The sight was really amazing, and there were a lot of monkeys over there making noise, hitting the roof and all that. So we got to be careful. And what else? And the name for the Pearl Valley is that, what I know about it is that, and if I found somebody over there, I'll also ask them why it's called Pearl Valley. And so there, the reason we have found it is that when you get into the steps down, so you can see a waterfall, a beautiful waterfall, where the waterfall comes and flows, and the water droplets would appear like a pearl. When it hits the rock and it scatters, it splashes, so those water droplets are called as, or will shine bright like a pearl. So that, what is it? Can you tell? Yeah.
Madavu is valley.
Yeah.
Muttayala Madavu is Pearl Valley.
Pearl Valley. Madavu is valley. Muttayala Madavu is pearl.
Muttu means pearl in
Pearl.
Kannada.
Okay.
So Muttayala Madavu is Pearl Valley.
Pearl Valley. Okay. So I am also excited on this weekend getaway, and it's a Sunday. Sunday, as usual, the traffic is not much here. So I have told in the video that to use the Attipele road, but please use the Chandapura road. It would save you 20 kilometers. This is at Iyengar Bakery. So I'm having this Congress.
Yeah, history of Congress. Earlier it was made with dry, raw chili powder. But now you have the masala flavor. So raw chili powder made Congress you can get only in Care Market now. So every other place you have their own flavors of this masala. So that's why people used to caution when you eat Congress, right? First thing you have to do is you have to go and wash your hands. Even by mistake, you remember Arcapa used to tell, first wash your hands, because by mistake you keep it in the eyes, you're done.
Yeah. Started drizzling and we are going to reach Pearl Valley in another few moments. This could be the result of yesterday's rain. There are a lot of it's lush green, and this is the lake I was talking about. Check out this boating. So we are yet to park the car. See what's going on here. We just parked our car and I'm seeing too many monkeys already. As I should not sure. Instead of Pearl Valley, it can be Monkey Valley, man.
Yeah, that's
Too many.
oh my god.
I'm really scared to get down now. See the way it's playing around, guys. This is a very small monkey. Finally, we have got down now. And this is the kids' play area. And hi, some students. Hi. This is the way for the falls trek. So this actually connects to the Bannerghatta forest. So the steps are like this, very steepy. You can see the view from here. So this is one resting place. So finally we reached this Pearl Valley, a beautiful valley here. So there is a temple also here. After a trek, how long it took? 5-10 minutes?
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
But you can trek for 1 more kilometer.
1 more kilometer there to reach the forest, to have a look of the forest.
When I used to come 20 years back, this was the only place where they used to sell snacks. And you hardly had any steps and all, so it was a very tough trek.
You know, even when we came, I think in around 2000. This is the shop. Earlier it was there, and now they have closed it. So the steps, earlier the steps was not there. The pathway would be something like this, where you have to carry a stick and follow. Hey, see, this is the dung of elephant. So looks like elephant would have come from here. See this? You have to be cautious. So we trekked these route, guys. So we trekked a bit here, and then Pearl Valley, Muttiyalamadu, and we are trekking here. Beautiful view of Bannerghatta forest, which connects to Yamam Hills. So this is the lake I was talking about. This is just next to the Pearl Valley, Muttiyalamadu trekking spot near the falls. So you can just come over here and do a boating. This is also belongs to KSTDC Nisarga. Hope you liked my vlog for today. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.